morning all of you. Myself Vinod Javade, working as an assistant professor in Jijamata College of Pharmacy, Nandurbar. First of all, welcome to all. In this video, we are going to conduct the experiment. So, aim of experiment is determining the assay value of given oil sample. This experiment involving many 4 steps. First, that is the preparation of chemicals. Second, that is sample preparation. Third, that is titration, and last, that is the calculation part. Let us start. Experiment. We need apparatus like hot plate, weighing balance, conical flask, volumetric flask, measuring cylinder, spatula, burette, funnel, and burette. Among the chemicals, we need the 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide, oil samples, ether, ethanol, and phenolphthalein indicator. Let's start with the chemical preparations. So first, phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator is simply the weighing the 2 gram of phenolphthalein powder dissolved in 100 ml of ethanol. That is the phenolphthalein indicator. So next, that is the 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide solution. In that, weigh 5.6 gram of potassium hydroxide dissolved in 900 ml of distilled water. Shake properly and clearly dissolve it, and then make it final volume, that is the 1000 ml. Towards the sample preparation. This is the oil sample. Now we weighing the sample. Okay. Take a 2 gram of oil. Don't worry about the weight. Just mention your proper weight. Sample preparation, we require the 2 solvents. First, alcohol, and second, that is the ether in equal proportion. So take a 25 ml of ethanol into the another beaker and 25 ml of ether. Mix well. Before use these solvents, standardize this solvent with the help of phenolphthalein indicator using 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide. So add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Shake well and titrate with require proper shaking for the titration. Okay, stop the titration. When the faint color is observed. So we now stop here this type neutralization, and this neutralized solvent is useful for the sample preparation. Okay. This is the sample flask. Shake well in periodic manner. If sample is not properly dissolved, we use hot plate for proper dissolving. Okay, so heat and boil the solution until the sample is dissolved in the solvent completely. After the heating, we get a clear solution of sample. Okay, so now we move towards the third step, that is the titration. Before the titration, take a 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide in this burette, and then we adding in sample a few drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator in the sample. Mix well and titrating with this 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide solution by drop by drop. Titration should continue with proper shaking to get a proper results. When the faint color is observed, that time we stop here the titration. So stop here. So faint color is observed, that is our titration is complete. Okay, so mention your final reading, that is the 2 ml. Okay, so this reading is useful for the calculation part. So we are moving towards the next part of, that is the calculation. After the experiment, we have 2 readings. First, that is the N means what? Number of ml of 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide solution which is required for the neutralization. Okay, so that is the N. And what is meant by W? W means what? Weight of your oil sample. So these values is putting in this oil acid value formula. So acid value we are determining by this formula. Acid value is equal to 5.61 multiplied by N by W. Okay, we already know the N and W. So we mention here 2 as your N reading and W is your 4.9. So value of acid value is 2.28. So acid value always indication of your rancid indication of oil. If more number of acid value, that means your sample is more rancid. So this is our today's experiment. Thank you.